Hi everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so you all are fine, good and enjoying the best conditions of your health. So dear ladies, today in this video I'm going to share with you some awesome collection of summer wears cami top design ideas. So in this video you will be find out crochet styles and crochet lace made cami top design ideas for ladies and girls. So if you love to wear cami styles top designs, so this video is going to be very useful and very helpful for you. You can get new ideas and new styles of top from this video, so must watch this video till the end. Very stylish and amazing design ideas of crochet made top designs, top styles you will be find out in this video within different colors, different styles, different designs. I love all these designs and I hope so that you will love these too. So if you are loving these designs, if you are loving these styles of cami top designs, crochet made top designs, so dear ladies, dear girls, please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives, and if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my notifications. So after getting my notifications you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you, so don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video, how was these designs of crochet made cami top styles, cami top designs, and which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel. Which type of more videos will be useful for you, helpful for you? Tell me in the comment section. For exploring more amazing ideas, for more collection, for more designs, visit on my channel and check the other collection. I hope so those videos will also be useful and very helpful for you and you can get new ideas and new designs from this video. I have already uploaded a huge collection on my channel, so for more amazing ideas, for more collection, for more designs, visit on my channel and check the other collection. I hope so those videos will also be useful and helpful for you and you can get new ideas and new designs from those videos, so must visit on my channel and check the other collection. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more designs, and don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. Till then, take good care of yourselves and goodbye.